What's up, my reseller friends? My name is Sabrina. I thrift to resell on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. Today is Martin Luther King Day. I had the day off work, so I decided to go thrifting with my friends today. We went to Savers, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm a bit disappointed. They've got all kinds of stuff just pouring out of their donations, and I thought I was gonna find so much stuff that there would be a lot of things, but I felt very pick through. I filmed a few fun moments with my friends that I will go ahead and share with you, but also I will show you too some of the things that I ended up purchasing, which is not a lot at all. My total only came out to about $30 after using the 20% coupon. So and also like half the stuff isn't even for reselling. You have to kiss a lot of frogs before you find your prince. Oh, jeez. I didn't work out. Are you already tired?
$3.49. Do you want to get fit for $3.49? Visit Savers in Marietta, California.
So I got this Wonder Woman figure. She was $10.99, but this is actually, I bought it for my husband, so this likely is not going to be sold on eBay. This I bought for myself too, is this super cute Disney tray. If you guys know me, you know that I love Disney, and it's like very good quality. It's like not one of those cheap ones. So yes, that's this for me because I am a Disney adult. And then I bought like 4 things for reselling. First is this little plush right here. I have no idea what cartoon this is from. I got this vintage Barbie that looks like she's probably from the early 90s, late 80s, early 90s. I would guess early 90s. I'll have to look up and see which one she is. Marshall's for $6.99, or here for $6.50.
This is crazy.
I didn't look it up. I don't know. You think that this would be a good pickup for $1.99?
Possibly. Fishing season's expensive. Or if you want a decade-old branch, you can pay $6.99.
Oh wow!
Okay, that's kind of cool though. Not gonna lie. I might buy this.
Why pay $1.25 at Dollar Tree when you could pay extra here? Well, look at this one right here.
They're pretty good for that.
And it's not even Christmas anymore.
I know.
And then I got this fashion designer CD-ROM Barbie collectible. This one was $5.99. So this Barbie CD-ROM thing ended up being a major flop. I think I had been emotional with this one just because I like vintage Barbie things, and that's why I bought it, but it turned out to be a bad buy. It's not really worth much to begin with, but then once I opened it, I saw that the wrong CD-ROM was in here. This isn't even the right one. And I looked up to see if this was worth anything, and there was a ton of them on eBay, and they weren't going for much, like $8 free shipping. So I'm not even gonna waste my time with that. But ultimately, what I decided to do was I decided to take the stuff that was in here, like this user guide, the stickers, and the sheets, and I'm just gonna try to sell these as replacement parts in hopes to just get back what I paid for it. So I think I paid $5.99 before the 20% discount. So I'm just gonna go ahead and list these as replacements for $9.99 plus shipping. I'm honestly not even sure if it's even gonna sell, but it's okay.
Like this says it's queen. Do you see? It's not really marked. I don't know. You try it? I think I'm gonna try it. See what happens. It's still in the bag. Still has packaging.
Do it, girl.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna get it. Because they're selling, let's see what the last few sold for. So probably between 50 to 110 bucks.
Do it.
So it might be worth the gamble. I think I'm gonna do it. I think I'm gonna get it. All right, you're coming home with me.
And then I got this famous stars and straps. This is a Travis Barker design. If you know anything about famous stars and straps, this was made famous by him in the early 2000s. I don't know if this is like a newer like version of famous stars and straps. I really can't tell. I feel like by the tag, like it looked like it may be slightly more modern. This is what it looks like. So this could be from like the 2010s era, I'm not sure, but I do feel like I could still probably get somewhere between $15 to $20 for this shirt. And this was, yellow was the tag of today, so I got it for half this price plus the 20% off that. So I probably paid like $2 for it, somewhere around there. So yeah, that was pretty much all that I got on this trip. And guys, I was in here for over an hour and this was all I could find. So yeah, thrifting's just getting harder and harder as time goes on. But I had so much fun, and sometimes that's all that matters, right? Well, never forget, my friends, that when you thrift upon a star, all your dreams will come true. I'll see you all next time. Bye.